In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets in Notion. If you document projects, share fixes with teammates, or just want to keep useful commands handy, code snippets in Notion make your notes cleaner and easier to read. They preserve indentation, use a monospaced font, and keep your code separate from regular text so nothing gets mangled or reformatted. Here's how to set one up in the simplest possible way. Open the Notion page where you want the snippet and place your cursor where the block should go. On your page, simply type /code and press enter. That short command instantly creates a dedicated code snippet block right in your page. You'll see a clean container appear, ready for you to type or paste your code. It supports multiple lines, so you can drop in anything from a single command to a full function. Pasted code keeps its spacing and line breaks, which is crucial for things like Python, YAML, or structured JSON. Once the block is there, look to the top right of the code snippet. You'll find a language drop-down. Click it and select the language that matches your snippet. Notion will apply syntax highlighting automatically, coloring keywords, strings, and comments to make the code much easier to scan. Picking the right language also improves readability when you revisit the page later. If you're unsure what to choose, plain text is fine, and you can always change it later. For command line examples, Bash or Shell often works well. For web examples, you might pick HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. And for configuration files, JSON and YAML are available too. From there, just focus on your content. The block is purely for display, so nothing executes, and you're free to add notes above or below to explain what the snippet does. If you paste something long, scrolling within the block keeps your page tidy without breaking the layout. And because it's a standard Notion block, it moves and duplicates like any other, which makes building a library of snippets effortless. And there you go. That's all it takes. Type /code, press enter, enter your code, and choose the language for clear, readable syntax highlighting. With this simple workflow, your technical notes stay organized, and your code looks great in Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.